So I wanted to talk about something important, guys. And we're on the way to eat right now. I figured I'd whip out the camera and talk about something. And I think it's honestly, I think it's because of the times that we're in. I feel like everybody's like being overly selfish and not really thinking about an end goal in anything. Like, people need to stop wasting other people's time. And I think this is something that is like, maybe I'm just different. Maybe I'm too intimidating. Maybe I'm just too young and have had this amount of success and that's intimidating to people. But like, you need to understand that like everyone has the same exact opportunities on this earth. And if you're just going to waste other people's time, like, you wonder why you're not getting the results that you want. There's people who will get on the phone with me for 40 minutes. And like, honestly, guys, like, I'm not trying to be rude, but like, to me, 40 minutes is at least $300 or more. So it's like, if I'm willing to take out that time with you and give you my hard-earned time, like, I expect you to get something good out of it. Doesn't always have to be a financial transaction, okay? But at least have some type of plan of action after I speak with you, okay? Most people get on the phone with me, they feel too intimidated by the pricing, they feel too intimidated by the work, and they run. And then they come back months later like, oh, it never worked out. I'm like, well, yeah, because you didn't do what I told you to do. Because you were scared of the circumstance, you were scared of the work that I was telling you to do. It's because you wasted your time, my time, everybody's time. Like, you don't know when it's going to be your time to leave this earth, too. Like, I was watching a video by Jason Capital, and he was talking about how, Dan Pena, one of his mentors, was talking to his mom, and his mom was sick at the time, and his mom was basically saying, like, I don't think I'm going to make it, I don't feel well. Well, that same night, his mom passed away. And Dan Pena basically didn't get a chance to actually talk to his mom for a final time and tell her something, like, special or, like, loving. And it's like, you go through this process of being in business, dealing with shit every single day. And it's like, when do you know when your last breath or last time is going to be? Like, we need to start valuing people's time. It's not always about the money, okay? It's about the principle, okay? I just want you guys to understand.